Everyone's got jewelry that needs cleaning, or even things like dental gear or old valuables that are too sensitive to be scrubbed by hand. The perfect tool is an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, and I'll explain everything you need to know about these fantastic machines. Let's start with my favorite ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, and then we'll proceed into the explanations. Number 1. Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. The Magnasonic Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is the best ultrasonic jewelry cleaner for just about any jewelry cleaning job. It effortlessly cleans delicate items and valuables using only water. This portable cleaner comes in handy to clean off dirt and grime or any oil residues from watches, gems, and eyeglasses as well. This ultrasonic cleaner comes with a removable plastic cleaning basket and a digital display. It's 20 ounces, 600 milliliters. Capacity stainless steel tank allows it to hold many items to be cleaned at once. It creates 42,000 Hz of ultrasonic waves which generate tiny vacuum bubbles to reach intricate places of each item. These waves delicately cleanse each item without dislodging their settings. This makes it a perfect cleaning tool for hard-to-reach places. It comes with an easy-to-operate 5 predefined cleanse cycles, 90, 180, 280, 380 and 480 seconds, and auto-off after completion feature safeguards. This ultrasonic cleaner from overheating. This compact cleaner works well with plain water, without the use of any external chemicals or solutions, but you can add a little dish or hand soap if you desire. It works best as an economic cleaner, giving sparkling results. The ultrasonic vibration created by this cleaner makes it a very quiet cleaning gadget. It is a popular choice for the home and businesses alike. Pros: compact and portable, easy-to-use digital display, spacious basket for items. Cons: overusage can reduce lifespan. Number 2. Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner Life Basis Ultrasonic Cleaner. The Life Basis Ultrasonic Cleaner CDS 100 can safely clean dirty, discolored and tarnished jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, and a whole range of other items in a matter of minutes by using just water. For more intensive cleaning you can add a little dish soap. It is a powerful machine which generates 42,000 Hz of ultrasonic waves, which are gentle enough to not cause any damage to your valuables and yet provide good quality cleaning. There are 5 preset cleaning cycles of 90, 180, 300, 480 and 600 seconds along with a convenient auto shut-off. The tank has a capacity of 20 ounces, 600 milliliters, and a wide interior which lets you fit in a wide range of items. It comes along with a basket to ensure that the items are contained. The 5 cleaning modes allow you to choose a light cleaning mode for fragile items like glasses or a more thorough cleaning mode for items that really need a deep clean. It has an additional watch holder accessory for laying down watches to their full length. This allows for hard-to-reach nooks to be well exposed for cleaning. Another nice feature is the detachable power cord which can easily be replaced if it breaks or shorts out. Life Basis also offers a 1-year warranty in case you have any issues with the unit. Pros: easy to operate, low price point, portable and easy to store. Cons: takes more time than expected. Number 3. Portable Household Ultrasonic Cleaning. The neat feature that I truly liked about this ultrasonic cleaner is that unlike its rivals, this can use plain tap water without any issues. The reason why other cleaners require users to use either distilled or deionized water is that there are dissolved gases in tap water that can tarnish the items it is supposed to clean. This product has a degas feature that removes all of these unwanted gases in tap water to make it safe to use. I am also pleased that this product has touch controls instead of tactile buttons. This makes this cleaner more water resistant and safer to use. Touch controls are also more durable than tactile switches because there are no moving parts. Hence, there is nothing that will wear out. Unlike other cleaners that also use 42 kHz, this product does the job more gently, thus leaving your valuable items sparkling clean and fully intact. Other cleaners are not suitable for use on prescription glasses as they can remove the film coating of the lenses. This is not a problem for this product. This also has quite a large cleaning chamber with a volume capacity of 600 milliliters. It is also wide enough to accommodate flatware and other long items. Pros: can clean thoroughly yet gently, very easy to use even without consulting the manual. Suitable for cleaning different items that are difficult to clean by hand. Cons: the touch controls do not respond when slightly wet. Number 4. Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Magnasonic Jewelry Cleaner Machine is one of the best budget devices in the market. This device is used by many jewelers, opticians, collectors, dental labs, dentists, artists. It can clean precious and semi-precious gems, rubies, sapphire, emeralds, quartz. If you are a professional jeweler, You may frequently use a loupe to investigate precious metals. Here you can check best jeweler's loupe reviews and buying guide. This best ultrasonic jewelry cleaner is using sound waves, ultrasonic cleaning technology, so it doesn't make any noise. You can easily avoid expensive service by using this Magnasonic professional ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. It consumes low electric power. All types of ornaments, like the small or significant size of ornaments, can be cleaned by using it. For better results, you may need to add some detergent at the beginning of the washing process. This Magnasonic jewelry cleaner can clean all types of precious stones. By using its latest technology, you can wash all kinds of dirt and germs from the ornaments, watches, glasses, eyeglasses, dentures, razors, rings, earrings, coins, DVDs, CDs, and more things. It produces 42,000 ultrasonic energy waves per second, and its pre-built 3 minutes is enough to clean your precious jewelry. It is straightforward to run, so we hope you will not face any problem using it. Pros: powerful waves, don't make the embarrassing sound during cleaning time. Long-lasting machine. Cons: this is great for bigger items, but smaller earrings, rings need a smaller cup. Number 5. iSonic D3800, a digital ultrasonic cleaner for jewelry. The iSonic Digital Ultrasonic Cleaner D3800A is one of the latest ultrasonic cleaners, jumping ahead of previous models with much superior features. 42,000 Hz of sonic waves generate efficient cleaning without the need of additional cleaning solution. The waterproof design is an added feature which ensures the safety of the machine against short circuits. The ultrasonic plate creates a lot of micro bubbles which will effectively clean the dirt and other residue from your items. Varied articles like gems, dentures, and eyewear can be effectively cleaned to look like brand new items. It is provided with an inner basket and a raised platform to clean watches and small items with the same ease and efficiency. The compact size makes it portable and easy to lodge on any countertop. The digital time display is big and bright to view at night times. It comes with 5 preset time cycles to clean items requiring different levels of attention. The stainless steel tank has a 20 ounces, 600 milliliters capacity to load several items at once. A spill-proof cover is also available in the cleaning tub, and a wide transducer is provided for ensuring powerful cleaning. Pros: isolated circuit to ensure safe cleaning, brighter and larger digital display for night use, predefined time cycles for cleaning. Cons: not ideal for large-scale operations. Number 6. InvisiClean Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner. Are you tired of all the dirt and grime that builds up on your jewelry and other items? Well then, the InvisiClean Ultrasonic Cleaner IC2755 might be just the tool for you. It can cut a task that normally takes hours down to just a few minutes. The InvisiClean IC2755 has a very elegant design complete with digital display. It can clean every crease and crevice of even the most intricate items. For a basic clean you can use just water, but if you want a more thorough clean, add your favorite washing liquid. One of the standout features of this ultrasonic jewelry cleaner is it has dual transducers. This doubles the cleaning power, providing your items an even better clean than models with only one transducer. The IC2755 comes with 5 preset cleaning cycles and also has an auto shut-off time control. The stainless steel tank can hold up to 27 ounces of water and is more spacious than some of the other models on this list. It is perfect for cleaning small to medium-sized items and jewelry. Pros: elegant design, longer lifespan, very easy to operate. Cons: no heat setting. Number 7. Fosmon Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner. Coming in at number 8 on our list is the Fosmon Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. It is ideal for cleaning dirt and grime off jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, dentures, shavers and other instruments. A high-frequency vibration plate beneath the stainless tank creates millions of microscopic waves. These waves produce little bubbles that scrub the dirt and grime from your valuables. It is very gentle on your jewelry and does not require harsh chemicals or vigorous brushing. The Fosmon has 18 preset cleaning cycles ranging from 90 seconds to 30 minutes and an auto shut-off. The 30-minute timer prevents overuse and overheating. It is CE and ROHS certified for safety. The 16-ounce tank includes a basket and watch stand. The tank is also sealed and prevents liquid from leaking into the insides. The Fosmon can also be used with the lid open for larger items. It uses hot water for a better cleaning effect. It is also suitable for stronger cleaning with the addition of a detergent or denture tablets, but it is certainly not built for cleaning grease. Pros: lightweight, quiet and portable, safe and eco-friendly. Cons: requires more than just water alone. Number 8. iSonic P4820 WSB Commercial Ultrasonic Cleaner. The iSonic Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner P4820 comes with an industrial-grade ultrasonic transducer for increased power and durability. It has a rectangular tank with a capacity of 2.5 L, 6 QT. The rectangular shape of the tank makes it suitable for cleaning longer items. It has a PCB design. A heater has been added for even better cleaning effect and is preset at 65 degrees Celsius. It comes with an extra 1 QT brass cleaning solution, which is a super concentrate that needs to be mixed with water in a 1:20 ratio. The P4820 can also clean automotive parts. It has a grounding and a detachable power cord for better safety and easier handling. The P4820 has a digital timer which can be set to 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 minutes. The 25-minute setting is much higher than the 8-minute setting you'll find with most ultrasonic cleaners. It has a power of 110V and 160W including the heater. There is an additional full-size plastic basket that can be used for more delicate items. The P4820 has an ultrasonic frequency of 42,000 Hz. It also comes with overheating protection and a cooling fan. Pros: large tank capacity, overheating protector, digital control. Cons: the heater is little slow. Number 9. Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner Kit. I can tell just by looking at this cleaner that it is a quality electronic appliance. The plastic case is thick and the parts are all attached cleanly and without any gaps. You can feel the amount of workmanship that went into this device. I love that the manufacturer has so much faith in this product that they are willing to give a 100% satisfaction guarantee. This means that if I am not satisfied with how this ultrasonic cleaner is working, then I can get a complete refund from the manufacturer, no questions asked. Needless to say, I will not be asking for a refund anytime soon. Just like the previous cleaning device, this product also has a large clear cover that allows me to watch the entire cleaning process should I want to. If I have nothing else better to do, I would watch the process as it is quite mesmerizing. Despite its compact size, this cleaner packs 60 kHz of cleaning power. This means that this cleaner can produce even more microbubbles compared to most other cleaners available today. This allows for deeper cleaning action. However, this cleaner can still gently clean your items without damaging them. Pros: small and compact, making it perfect for small homes. An American-made product, so you can be sure of the quality. Comes with an impressive 100% satisfaction guarantee. Cons: the free sample ultrasonic eyeglass cleaner solution is not that great. Dishwashing soap does a better job at cleaning. Number 10. CREWORKS Professional 10L Ultrasonic Cleaner. I was impressed by this product mainly because of how large its cleaning tank is. It is unlikely that anyone will own anything precious that is too big for this cleaning machine's 10-liter capacity tank. I tried to clean all of my precious silverware at once and they did not even come near the capacity of the tank. I was also impressed by the fact that this cleaner has 4 separate transducers, so anything that you put inside there is guaranteed to come out sparkling regardless of its size or the amount of gunk and dirt collected. Just looking at it from the outside, I can already tell that this device is built to last. For instance, the outer casing is made of a rather thick gauge sheet metal that makes it highly resistant to dents and dings. Also, it is almost entirely composed of stainless steel, so rusting will not be a problem. I truly appreciate that this cleaner has an external drain valve because this makes cleaning and emptying the tank a whole lot easier. This professional-grade cleaning device is meant for heavy-duty use. However, it does need to be thoroughly cleaned regularly so that it functions properly even after a couple of years of heavy use. Pros: has a large tank capacity, easy to clean and maintain, constructed using tough materials. Cons: too large and bulky for regular homes.